What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, let's go. Let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! We ready to go to town? Are we ready to go to town? Let's go. Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to the Roddy channel. My name is Colin Bracken and today I'm going to be answering a question that you guys have been asking is what do you use for dog collars? Where can I get the ones that you guys currently use, or how do you make them, in other words? So today we're going to be going over, as the title says, a DIY inexpensive dog collar that is indestructible for your big beast, specifically my Rottweilers. So we are at Home Depot and we are going to run in there. We are going to grab some chain links and we're going to grab some chain connectors, and then we're going to go home and I'll show you guys how simple it really is to make these collars, and we're going to do it for less than 10 bucks. So let's go ahead and run in the store and then we will see you guys back at the house. Alrighty, so where I have 3 dogs, we're gonna just buy 3 of these. We're gonna get about 6 feet of it, so we're $1.79 a foot. So we're gonna get 6 feet of this, and then we'll head back to the house and we'll cut it to measure their neck sizes. One thing to remember is to get the stainless steel so that it doesn't rust. So that's the one that we got. And now the next thing that you're gonna get is you're gonna get one of these quick links. Again, make sure that it's in the stainless. So this one is a 990 pound working load limit. So we're gonna get 3 of these. The stainless steel. Alrighty, so something to remember is that 1, you want to measure your dog's neck size before you go in there, and 2 is buy just a little bit extra so that way when you get home you can fit it on and then you can cut it to the size that you need. Unless you don't have bolt cutters or a way to cut it at home, then you just want to make sure that you measure precisely. Give a little bit of extra slack because these collars don't tend to get bigger over time. They don't tend to stretch out, anything like that. It is metal. Be sure to grab the stainless steel so they don't rust out or don't get any miscoloration or anything like that. And really, I mean, for all 3 dogs, so we have 3 links, quick links at $5.20 a piece, so $15 for 3 of them, and then $9.25 for 5 feet of chain. So if you have 1 dog, you're really only gonna need like 18 to 24 inches of chain. So then you're gonna be, you know, $4 for chain, $5 for a link. You're gonna be under 10 bucks and you're gonna have yourself a 900 or a 500 pound breaking strength collar. So such a great deal. Let's head home and see the Roddies and let's get these things put on and we'll see how they look, and then we'll show you guys what that looks like. Today's gonna be a super simple video. I just got home. Let's see how the dogs are. Hello? Hello? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, you crazies? What are you doing? Good night. Good night, good night. Man, you're getting the gate all muddy. Get down. Good boy, good boy. I got you guys some new collars. What do you say, Mama? I got you a new collar. What are you doing? What are you doing? All right. So the way I'm gonna measure this by taking one end of the chain and wrapping it to the other end of the chain. And then I'm gonna use my marker here and I'm gonna go ahead and mark which chain link I need to cut to get to fit the dog. So I'm gonna hurry and go ahead and do that. So go ahead and made a mark on here. So I marked this one right here. Now you're gonna wanna remember that when you're measuring, you're also gonna have to leave room for that chain link. So you don't wanna like give them a ton of extra space and then add the chain link because then it could just slide right over their head. So I'm just gonna go ahead and measure this just to show you guys how wide the neck is. First one that I measured is Fluffy. So go ahead and put it to where the mark is. Looks like we have a 23.5, 24-inch neck size on Fluffy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cut, and then we'll throw it on him. Okay, so now that I have my chain cut to the right size, I'm gonna go ahead and add on my chain link here. Now I'm not sure if I'm gonna get asked this in the comments or not, but I am using Milwaukee power tools. You're gonna take and open your chain link just like this. You're gonna slide it on, and then you're gonna take this end and you're gonna pop it on, and then you'll just tighten this chain link down. So let's go ahead, throw it on Fluffy, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So Kita's collar ended up being 22 inches and Kenai's collar being 19. So we got 24, 22, and 19. Let's go ahead and throw them on the dogs and see how they like them. What do you say? Okay, so let's go ahead and get these put on these guys. See which one. We got Fluffy's right here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, I'll put yours on. I'll put yours on. Just be patient with me, okay? I know, you're so excited for your collar. Okay, so we got Fluffy's on. We got Kenai's next. Fluffy's showing his off to the camera. Come here. Oh, that one was got Kenai next. Hi, baby girl. Hi. Hi, pretty princess. Hey, 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 hey. You excited for yours? And then we got Kita finally. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Alrighty guys, that right there is how you make yourself some DIY, inexpensive, heavy duty, indestructible collars. So these guys all look super good with them on. I'll go ahead and show you real fast what it looks like with them on. Pretty mama? Pretty mama? Looks really good, really good. These guys all want to show off their new bling. There you go. Thank you guys for watching another video brought to you by me, Colin Bracken, here on the Roddy channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future content. And don't forget to like this button or even share it if it really helped you out and you want to help somebody else out. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.